Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best weight benches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PRX Profile Flat Folding Bench. Many home gym owners have limited space, and fitness equipment that folds up and is stowable can save valuable space. The PRX Profile Flat Folding Bench is able to be mounted to a wall and folds up so it's out of the way, giving you ample space for other exercises. When it's unfolded, it won't wobble as you use it. This bench doesn't adjust to different angles, but you can still use it for a full-body workout. For example, you can use it for flat bench presses and rest your rear leg on it during Bulgarian split squats. It has a 1,000-pound weight capacity, but the vinyl isn't very durable. However, if you're not trying to set world records when you train, you can feel comfortable using this bench for all of your heavy sets. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rogue Adjustable Bench 3.0. The 125-pound Rogue Adjustable Bench 3.0 can adjust up to 9 different incline positions, ranging from 0 to 85 degrees with 3 seat positions. It's wide and sturdy, so you can max out on it or train for high reps with comfort. You can personalize it by choosing one of the 11 different colors for the pad and frame, such as red, burnt orange, or white. The medium gloss finish gives it a commercial gym look, but it isn't so beefy that you can't use it in your home gym. Beginners and smaller lifters may be challenged to move it, but the wheels and pull handle make it easier to transport it around your gym when needed. At number 3, we have the Force USA MyBench. The obvious benefit of the Force USA MyBench is the leg attachment that allows you to perform both leg extensions and leg curls. The extra exercises that you can do make this a valuable bench. Add in that you can do bicep curls with the included preacher attachment as well, and your weight training experience can be much more enjoyable. The bench also has transport wheels and a handle for easier moving inside and outside of a squat rack. Besides going up 7 incline positions from 0 to 80 degrees, it can decline as low as 15 degrees, so you can perform ab exercises such as the decline sit-up. At number 2, we have the Grind Fitness Flat Bench. The price point is the obvious benefit of the Grind Fitness Flat Bench. At just under $100, it's one of the most affordable benches you can find. This fixed flat bench would be a good starting bench for new trainees or lifters working with limited budgets. The extra grip on the vinyl will help prevent you from sliding, even when you're sweating during training. The rubber on the feet will help keep the bench in place as well. Even though the Grind Fitness Flat Bench doesn't have wheels, it does have portability due to weighing only 24 pounds. It can also be used for exercises such as split squats or step-ups, so you'll get a lot of versatility out of it. And finally, at number 1, we have the FLYBIRD Adjustable Weight Bench. Many home gym enthusiasts rely on Amazon for their workout equipment needs. If you're putting together a list for your workout space, add the FLYBIRD Adjustable Weight Bench to it. It's durable, and the back pad has 8 total adjustable positions ranging from -30 to 90 degrees. The seat pad has 3 more adjustments from 0 to 23 degrees. The bench can be used for many different weightlifting exercises, including bench presses, seated overhead presses, and decline sit-ups. The high-density, 2-inch padding is covered with faux leather for extra protection against cuts and damage. The bench can also be used inside a power rack or in its own space, depending on which exercises you're performing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.